everyone. Welcome back to the Micro English Podcast, where learning English meets real conversation.
Hi guys, it's Frank here. We're so happy you're listening again today.
If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. We help you practice real English through fun, everyday stories.
Exactly. No textbooks, just real people talking.
So, what are we chatting about today, Frank?
Let's see. You look kind of tired, Kelly. Long day?
Yeah, honestly, yes. I've had one of those mornings. Meetings, emails, and way too much coffee.
I get that. The classic busy workday story.
Totally. Actually, that's our topic today. Work stress, coffee, and a little surprise story from you, right?
Oh yes, I have some exciting personal news later. Stay tuned.
So, yeah, this morning was rough. We had this 3-hour meeting. Can you imagine?
3 hours? That's not a meeting, that's a movie.
Exactly. And you know how it goes. Charts, reports, team goals, and all that.
Classic office life. Were people paying attention or secretly checking their phones?
A bit of both, honestly. And there was some tension. 2 colleagues weren't getting along.
Ooh, office drama. Tell me everything.
Not too dramatic, but yeah, one's very talkative, the other's quiet and serious. They're working on the same project, and it's not going smoothly.
That's always tricky. Different personalities, same deadline.
Exactly. So I thought, maybe I can help a little, coffee diplomacy.
Coffee diplomacy? I love that.
Yeah, I'll just grab them both coffee and cookies tomorrow. Sometimes a small gesture fixes the big tension.
That's actually brilliant. Food and kindness, the universal language. Okay, quick English note for our listeners. Did you hear Kelly say coffee diplomacy? That's a fun phrase. It means using small, kind actions, like offering coffee, to make peace.
Exactly. You can use it in daily English too. I solved the problem with a little coffee diplomacy.
Perfect example.
Okay, now your turn. You said you had good news.
Yes, my best friend Mia is getting married next month.
Whoa, congratulations to her.
I know, I'm super excited, but also stressed.
Why stressed?
Because the dress, the shoes, the colors, everything.
The classic wedding preparation panic.
Exactly. I want something elegant but comfortable. Maybe a long green dress?
Green sounds nice, but what color are your eyes?
Blue.
Then blue dress, silver shoes, done, easy.
You make it sound simple. I wish shopping was that easy.
Okay, let's pause for our listeners again. Here are 3 useful words from today's chat. Number 1, tension, when people feel uncomfortable or stressed around each other. Number 2, gesture, a small action that shows kindness. And number 3, elegant, beautiful and graceful.
Nice. Try making your own sentences with those words in the comments.
After this week, I just want to relax, order pizza, watch something funny, and sleep.
Same. After shopping, I'm going out for dinner with Mia to talk about the wedding.
Where?
There's this cute Italian restaurant, Luigi's. They have amazing pasta.
Oh man, now I'm hungry.
All right, guys, that's all for today's Real English Chat.
Yeah, today we practice natural conversation about work stress, weddings, and weekend plans.
If you enjoyed it, please give this episode a thumbs up and subscribe.
And we'd love to hear from you in the comments. What do you usually do to relax after a busy week?
Practice your English there, and we might read your comment in the next episode.
That's it for now. See you next time on Micro English Podcast.
Bye, everyone. Stay relaxed, keep learning, and have a great day.